Hello dear students, in this lecture, online lecture, we discuss topic on specification of engine. Engine specification is very much important for purchasing of engine. There are various parameters of engine specification. Engine specification, curb weight, drivetrain, torque, horsepower, gradability, compression ratio. Engine, it is one of the power source of the vehicle. It's an internal combustion engine of any type such as maybe the petrol, CNG, LPG, diesel, two-stroke, four-stroke with single or multi-cylinders. The engine specifications, engine may be the fuel used for petrol engine, diesel engine, CNG, LPG, according to stroke, two-stroke engine, four-stroke engine. If the engine consists of single cylinder, that is single cylinder engine. If engine consists of two cylinder engine. Some of the vehicle require 8-cylinder engine, 12-cylinder engine, 16-cylinder engine. These are the specification of engine. Next, curb weight. It is weight of vehicle without fuel, without any accessories. This is also important. Manufacturer given the curb weight of vehicle. Vehicle weight consists of an weight of an engine, drivetrain, chassis, systems like suspension, brake, steering, and cooling systems. Curb weight is the weight of vehicle without fuel, without any accessories. Drivetrain. The drivetrain that is consist of transmissions elements such as clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft with universal coupling, differential gear unit, transmission shafts, which mounts the wheel. Such elements has its unique function. Gearbox changes the torque, speed. Propeller shaft transmit the power from engine to clutch to wheel. Differential allows two wheels to rotate at different speed, essential while turning, while power is supplied to the wheels. Torque is also very much important specification of vehicle. Torque is amount of rotation force produced at a given radius of output. However, for a given power produced by the engine, the torque increases, the speed is reduced. This is done by the changing the speed ratio in the gearbox. The sum of the gearbox may be force. Next, horsepower HP. This is one of the important specification of engine. The power measured in FPS unit 1 HP is equal to 0.746 kilowatt. Some of the manufacturer given the specification that is in HP. Next, brake horsepower BHP. This is measurement of engine power without any power losses, while HP is equal to BHP less the power losses. BHP is measured in controlled environment without anything attached to the engine, without no load, and controlled environment the brake horsepower is measured. HP is measured by hooking up the engine to the dynamometer. Dynamometer is one of the device used for measuring the torque. Engine power or horsepower is a maximum power that is engine can put out. It can be expressed in kilowatt horsepower. The power output depends on the size, design of engine, but also speed at which the running and load or torque. The power is depends upon the size of engine. Actually, size of engine depends upon diameter of cylinder, stroke of the engine. These are the parameters that also depends upon the speed as well as load of the vehicle. Next, gradability is very much important parameter. The gradability of car, it is nothing but it is ability to climb the slopes. Gradability is measured either in degree or percentage. A 45-degree gradient is equal to 100%. Gradability is dependent on engine power, drivetrain type, gear ratios, weight distribution, car center of gravity and traction. It ranges from 10 to 45%. Compression ratio. Some of the engine there is a compression ratio of engine is given. The compression ratio of the total, it is nothing but it is a ratio of total volume of cylinder and the combustion chamber when piston is at bottom dead center, and volume of the combustion chamber when piston is at top dead center. It is nothing but total volume upon clearance volume. The total volume of a cylinder consists of swept volume plus clearance volume. Compression ratio is the total swept of volume of the cylinder with piston at BDC, bottom dead center, divided by total compressed volume when piston at TDC, that is nothing but clearance volume, the ratio of total volume to clearance volume. Higher the compression ratio, better is the thermal efficiency of engine. Thus engine can exert more mechanical energy from gives mass of the air fuel mixture. Diesel engines are designed to operate higher compression ratios. Actually, the range of diesel engine is there about 15 to 20, while petrol engine have a lower compression ratio, is only 8 to 10 compression ratio. Engine speed is also very much important. It is measured in revolution per minute RPM. Diesel engine generally revolution per minute is 1500 to 4000 RPM. For gasoline engine, petrol engine, that is 2200 to 6000 RPM. Thrust is the force arising from the interaction between piston and cylinder. Torque already we have discussed. The efficiency is nothing but ratio of output upon input. The sum of the specification engine efficiency actually depends upon the load. Sound level is it is the case of sound level. The engine operation is the greatest impact with respect to the mobile source such as automobiles and